A new Memphis and Charleston Railroad decided to build a station in Scottsboro in 1857. The line was offering regular service over the entire 272-mile route from Stevenson to Memphis. The Memphis-Charleston Railroad became part of the first continuous rail route from Atlantic Ocean to the Mississippi River. It was the first railroad to offer sleeper cars. It was the only railroad to run east to west in what was to become the Confederacy. It made more money from its passenger service than freight service. Bellefonte citizens rejected the railroads because they did not want the train travel to interfere with the town's thriving river trade, and the low riverside land was not suitable for tracks. Small local farmers also did not want the trains coming through Jackson County, as they lost land and livestock. This was no small thing. In one 12-mile railroad stretch, 160 head of livestock were killed by trains in 1849. The Memphis and Charleston Railroad was a substitute for the river, not a complement to it. As a result, those towns that put their trust in the eventual ability of technological and engineering to overcome the problems of Tennessee River navigation, towns like Bellefonte would be doomed by their decision not to embrace the new mode of transportation. The passenger compartments were likely known to start fires because they were open to smoke and cinder from wood-burning fireboxes in the engine, but there were other hazards too. Early lines were built in haste and laid upon open ground without stone blasted underpinning. Braking was a slow process that required a brakeman to walk across the roofs of individual cars to apply brakes to them in mid-1850s. One in 188,000 passengers met a violent death. The Memphis and Charleston enjoyed 5 years of prosperity before it fell into Union hands. At the war's end, Memphis and Charleston rebuilt quickly in 1865. An entire road was passable with the exception of one bridge crossing the Tennessee River at Decatur.